custody. Let's go. Take him into custody. You're under arrest for trespassing. Public easement. Take him into custody.
Go ahead. Take me into custody.
Go ahead. Seriously.
Public easement.
Go.
Don't touch me.
No, you're not. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Take him into custody. Call 911. Take him into custody. He's under arrest for trespassing.
You touch us and you're gonna get it.
Are you guys threatening me?
You touch us and you're gonna get it.
Are you threatening?
You came out with weapons and you threatened us to put us in handcuffs, so back up. Back up, man. I'm not fucking with you. Get away from us. We're not breaking the law. This is public easement, bitch. This is public easement. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Your security guard just told you this is public easement. Leave us alone, man. Get out of here with your baton. This is public easement, man. Get away from us. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Back up, man.
It is not.
Back up.
Here, one has an LA Dodgers hat on with a black t-shirt, blue jeans. I am armed. He is armed.
I don't care.
I'm gonna tell you
I'm not
straight
breaking
up,
the law.
you use a dangerous
Back
weapon.
up. Back up. I already warned you to back up, man. I don't give a shit if you're armed or not.
6602.
Back up. I don't want your presence. I don't want to communicate with you. Go away. I've already warned you, man.
I'm sorry, you're wrong.
You're wrong.
We'll let the sheriff
You're wrong.
decide.
You're violating my rights. You're violating our
on
rights.
Public property.
Yeah,
Yes,
you're about to learn the law, man. And you're in security, you don't know the law?
Get off.
This is not your property, man. This is not your property.
Private property.
Stay away, man. Stay away.
You know what? He's full of shit.
You're full of shit, man. Go away. Man, you guys are gonna learn today, man. You have no authority out here in public, man. Not with that gun, not with that baton.
I have every right to
Yep,
carry a
we'll
weapon.
see. We'll see when the cops get here, man. You threatened our lives. You threatened our lives. Fuck you, pussy. You're a pussy. You're no good without that weapon and with that baton, man. You're fucking worthless. You're a piece of shit.
Pepper spray and I can't tell what else. We'll see.
Yeah, we will see.
Yes.
Yeah, tell them that you guys pulled out weapons on us too.
Now, Hispanic wearing a...
They pulled out weapons on us. They got guns and batons.
Guns and batons.
They got guns and batons. Send the police.
Oh, they're coming. He's wearing a vest, dark blue shirt,
Man, you guys sound like a bunch of pussies.
black, wearing a body.
You did the right thing not putting hands on them, man. I guarantee you would have been the one in jail right now, man. Guaranteed you did the right thing. This guy should learn from you, man.
They literally will not answer.
Yeah, stop shaking, man. You're unstable. You shouldn't be carrying a weapon. Look at how shaky you are.
Right?
Damn, trigger happy motherfucker.
Camera shows off. Right, it does. Put him in cuffs. He's on private property. Put him in cuffs. You're not. They're on our property right now. We keep asking them to...
This is public easement, you dumb dick. It's public easement. It's called public easement. 10 feet from the street is public easement. So just so you know, you dumbasses, you guys are lame. Public easement. Do you know what public easement is? We got guys with guns here and batons. Guys with guns and batons.
Oh, don't worry, I told her.
Fuck you, pussy. What are you gonna do with that baton, pussy?
Stick it up your ass. How about
Yes.
that? No, it's strapped in close to the car. I'm preferring charges to both of you for trespassing after I told you to get off.
You
my
ain't doing
private
shit
property.
because we're not trespassing, you dumb dick. This is public easement. Learn the law and show this to your lawyer. Show this to your lawyer so he can see that we're on public easement, you dumbass. He can't even get a steady shot. Are you sure you got the shot, sir?
You shouldn't be owning a firearm.
Yes, they're all.
You should get a manual evaluation.
Yeah, make sure you came out charging with your baton. Let them know you came out charging with your baton out. Your camera's upside down, you dumb dick. They're using profanity. What are we, in kindergarten or what? Are we in preschool or what? They're using profanity? Are you serious?
Wow.
What a pussy. Seriously, dude. That's what you're gonna cry about?
More sense than you guys.
You guys are the ones with all the weapons and you're the ones crying the most.
Well, look at this guy. I mean, he actually has more sense than all.
Yeah, no, I got respect for this guy, man. Good job, security guard. You deserve that badge, man. Appreciate you. This guy needs to give up the ownership of the company and let somebody else take over that knows the law. Damn, horrible display here.
Are you the owner of the company?
Damn, that fool trying to put you in cuffs, bro. That's an illegal detention if you ask me. You should have let him slap the cuffs on, bro. You should have let him do it, bro.
Big fucking lawsuit.
You should have let him do it. Big time. Without that badge and that gun, you ain't shit. Or the baton.
I didn't know where you can put that baton.
You see that street light pole? You see that street light pole? You see that city sign? That's called public property. You're an idiot.
See the utility?
You're an idiot, man. You're an idiot. That's called public easement, sir. So you know, 10 feet from the sidewalk, from the curb into your property, 10 feet is public easement. You need to learn the law. That's not a trespass. This is a harassment. And it's an assault. You guys assaulted him. You assaulted him. Sucks when you don't know the law, huh? You're in security and you don't know the law. Sucks for you, man. Sucks for you. They're not even coming, dude. They're not coming. They're like, nah, those guys aren't breaking the law. Leave them alone.
They're not doing anything illegal.
Guaranteed, man. Guaranteed, crybaby. How old are you to be a crybaby? Seriously.
And he's the owner of the company? Is he the owner?
Nah, it's best if you don't, bro. Good job. He's a good security guard, bro. Appreciate you, man. He's a good security guard. You guys should be lucky to have a guard like this on your side.
Honestly,
that's not going to get you in a lawsuit.
If you go into law enforcement, we appreciate people.
Yeah, man. Do it, bro. Do it. What time are they coming, crybaby? Look. There they are.
your shades.
Hey man, this guy tried to put this guy in handcuffs. You should talk to him. This is not his property.
Public easement.
Huh?
Fucking boot licker.
That was probably one of his guards who rode down.
I know, right?
Do it?
Tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he's about to put hands on it too.
Here comes another unit. Oh, this is a different guy.
Threatened with arrest for trespass.
Almost got assaulted by a security guard.
You going live too?
Huh?
You going live too?
Yeah, I'm like, fuck it.
I'm like, fuck it.
Huh? You're like, I'm first.
Bill, you can ask them again. They're right here behind you on property again.
What's up, everybody? Hit that thumbs up, guys. Let's get some folks in here. We're out here in Ventura County. This is the Ventura County Sheriff's. Threatened with arrest. This business owner threatened to put Darkside in handcuffs for standing on this public easement here. And now this officer is over here on the phone, possibly with the city attorney, before he gets himself in trouble, trying to claim that we're on private property. Hit that thumbs up, guys. Let's let people know that we're out here on the streets. SG News First, out here with Darkside Audits. We're already threatened with arrest out here, guys.
They came all the way up here.
They said we were gonna hold it there. So they're lying, saying that we went all the way up.
This guy's trying to claim that we walked up on his property and He doesn't know he's about to get himself in some big trouble because we both have body cams running.
Hell yeah. Hey, honestly, respect to this security guard because I told him, don't put hands on me.
What's up, everybody? How you guys doing today? ROG87, how you doing?
Right on the public easement. Here's a third arm.
Learn the law, fat boy. Learn the law, fatty. What happened? Are we under arrest yet?
What we're gonna ask you again is to.
This is not your property, man. This is not your property, and you're violating my rights, you pussy.
Not violating.
You're violating my rights. This is